Effect of positive thinking. Once upon a time, there were two friends. They used to work in a shoes manufacturing company. Shoes were made in the company and their job was to sell shoes in the market. Once the owner of the company sent him to sell shoes in a village where all the people lived barefoot and no one wore slippers or shoes. The first man goes to the village and gets very upset after seeing the people there that no one wears shoes here. Thinking, how will I sell my shoes here? He comes back. Then the other friends goes to the village and is very happy to see that no one here wears shoes. Now I can sell my all shoes here. I have a lot of customers here. So friends, this is the difference between positive and negative thinking. Nothing is impossible in this world. Just thinking should always be positive. People with positive thinking can even reach the moon, and people with negative thinking remain narrow minded throughout their lives. Story 2. Farmer's Word and Wings. Once a farmer said very bad things to his neighbor, but later he realized his mistake and went to a saint to repent. He went and asked the saint for a way to take back his words so that he could reduce the burden on his mind. The son told the farmer to do one thing: go and collect a loaf of feathers from somewhere and then go and scatter those feathers in the middle of the city. The farmer did the same and then went to the son. The son asked the farmer if he could go and collect those feathers again. The farmer went back and saw that all the feathers had flown away due to the wind, and the few that were left could not be collected. When the farmer reached the son empty handed, the son explained to him that the same thing happens with your words. You can easily say anything to anyone without thinking, but once you say them, those words cannot be taken back, just like the feathers cannot be gathered back once they are spread. You cannot take back those words even if you want to. So, from now on, think before saying or doing anything to anyone.